The Karambit knife is a curved blade with a handle that resembles a claw. It was originally used as a farming tool, but has since become a popular choice for self-defense and martial arts. The unique curved shape of the Karambit knife allows for a variety of striking and grappling techniques, making it an effective tool for self-defense. In addition to self-defense, the Karambit knife is also a versatile tool for everyday use, from opening boxes to cutting rope. When choosing a Karambit knife, look for features such as a durable and comfortable handle, a sharp and sturdy blade, and a secure locking mechanism. Whether you're a martial artist, a self-defense enthusiast, or simply looking for a versatile and unique tool for everyday use, the Karambit knife is an excellent choice. So, if you're looking for a tool that combines functionality and style, consider adding a Karambit knife to your collection.
Options make it a perfect everyday carry for users who prefer a small yet durable fixed blade that cuts well above its size. It was designed by renowned custom knife maker Alan Oleshowitz and is proudly made in the USA by Hogue Incorporated. It's available in two blade types, a clip point or a hawkbill, and two handle variations, all steel or with scales. The full tang construction is made from 154 cm stainless that is cryogenically heat treated for a lasting edge that is still easy to maintain. The blades have a hollow grind with a hand-honed edge for exceptional cutting performance. All steel versions have a paracord lanyard that serves to extend the grip without adding bulk. Scaled versions are fully sculpted and have Hogue's Piranha grip texture. A finger ring at the end of the handle allows for added retention in a standard or reverse grip. The steel versions come with a tough Boltron neck carry sheath with fastening eyelets that are spaced to accept an optional tech lock for belt carry. The scaled versions ship with the Boltron neck carry sheath as well as Hogue's innovative ambidextrous belt sheath made from super tough nylon. The belt sheath rotates so it can be easily accessed from any orientation. It's slim and lightweight, making it convenient to carry with a minimal print. Hogue knives leverage the know-how of 3 generations of manufacturing experience and are backed by our limited lifetime warranty. To view available models or to learn about other quality
service personnel from the beginning, I noticed that they were carrying Karambits of various types, and I asked them what they liked about the Karambits and more importantly what they didn't like about the Karambits that they were deploying in duty. The primary problems included the issue of deployment, especially with the blade closed, how to deploy from a retention position, and also questions about safety. The blade is designed to be deployed from a clenched fist. Your fingers are never exposed to the rotational path of a blade. It comes equipped with a glass breaker and a sheath that is suitable for attachment to molly or belt for emergency situations.
Whether you're looking for an easily concealed personal defense knife or a fierce hand-to-hand combat blade, this 8 3/4 inch Honshu Karambit will answer when you call. The over-molded rubberized handle ensures a sure grip as you wield the blade, and the finger ring pommel allows you to maneuver this blade with surgeon's precision. The wicked curve of the blade makes it a formidable combat tool, and the handsome satin brushed finish provides a sleek look and feel. The Honshu Karambit is available in 4 different blade coating variations: satin brushed stainless steel, rainbow titanium coating, stone-washed gold coating, and a black blade coating. This is the Honshu Karambit, only from United Cutlery.
This is the Emerson Folding Karambit. Now, this knife is unique in a ton of different ways. You can see the overall shape of this knife, this large hole in the back, that's for your finger. I'll show you that in a second. It's got the wave feature on it to open it up, which is our signature, this hook right here, so that when you pull it out of your pocket, it automatically opens that knife up. It's got this large oval hole in it so that you can use it to open with your thumb. You can see that this has a very, very steep curved blade on it. And that blade is the key to the effectiveness of the Karambit. It's basically a tiger claw. And this knife is a design that came out of Indonesia, where there were Sumatran tigers and stuff like that. But the other unique feature about it is this finger hole in the back, so that you can grab it in your hand in this grip. Your finger's in there, knife's never going to come out of your hand. You can grab it in this grip, finger through that hole, knife's going to ever come out of your hands, never going to be dislodged from you. This was basically a tool for cutting rice and things like that that evolved into a weapon, and is favored by use by a lot of Indonesian martial artists. The knife is chisel ground, meaning it's only got the bevel on one side. It's got a very, very ergonomic handle, so that it's, even if you had to grab it with your finger not through that hole, you still have a really good grip on it. It's got G10 handles. They're impervious to just about anything that exists, water, gasoline, salt water, oil, etc. It's got a clip on there mounted so you can carry it in your pocket. You can see that it has our standoff see-through system so that you can wash this blade out. If it gets dirty or anything gets up in there, you can just either clean it out with a stick or wash it out with water. The standoffs are what we use to construct this type of handle, and these are these little round pieces that you see stuck in between the two halves of the knives. Screws go in from both sides, so they squeeze it together and hold it tight. This is a very, very effective tool slash weapon, and you can have a lot of fun with it because you can spin them like crazy. I've seen guys that are experts at being able to spin these knives around. You can hear that noise coming from the shop, but they're making knives. So anyway, you can find a link to this knife in the description down below. It's the Emerson Folding Karambit. You know what? This is a great knife. Martial artists will recognize it immediately, but we've had a lot of police gravitate toward this knife because they use it in their opposite side from where they carry their gun, as a weapon retention tool if someone were to ever try to go for their gun.
This is the Schrade SCH 110 liner lock folding knife. A single glance is all it takes to recognize that with a total length of 7.76 inches, the Karambit blade SCH 110 stands apart from the crowd. The SCH 110 is perfect for tactical and self-defense tasks. Rapidly deploy the fiercely sharp 3.15-inch talon-shaped blade with either hand by way of ambidextrous thumb studs. The blade is crafted from black-coated 9 CR18 Movi high-carbon stainless steel, corrosion-resistant and ready to perform slice after slice while displaying excellent edge retention characteristics. A steel liner lock secures the blade in the fully open position. The rugged black G10 handle boasts precisely positioned jimping and finger hole, assuring a firm grip in the face of situation variables when using the SCH 110. Spine-side blade jimping provides added leverage for increased cutting power. To close, slide the liner lock to the side with your thumb and rotate the blade back into the handle, where it nestles sandwiched between steel liner wall. With a closed length under 6 inches and overall weight of just over 6 ounces, the SCH 110 is easily carried in a pocket or clipped virtually anywhere via the heavy-duty belt clip. An additional belt clip, screws, and Allen wrench are included, supporting expanded ambidextrous, reversible carry options. A black Karambit blade folder for tactical and self-protection.
If you enjoyed our video, don't forget to hit the like button below. And if you want to see similar videos in the future, smash that subscribe button and make sure to turn the notification bell on. Now that's all I've got, and in all that you do, we want to help you beat yesterday.